The diagram shows a square ABCD drawn inside a circle. So what we've got here is ABCD drawn inside the circle, centre O. ABCD are points on the circle. The length of the sides of the square are 8 centimetres. AC is the diameter of the circle. Calculate the circumference of the circle, correct to 3 significant figures. So this is a two-step problem. We know that the circumference is pi times d. So what we need to do is find this length here, as this is the diameter of the circle. Now we notice here, if we put that line in here, we have a right angle triangle. So therefore we can use Pythagoras' theorem to find the length on the longest side, which is the diameter, or sometimes that's called the hypotenuse. So we've got AC squared is equal to AB squared plus BC squared. So that's going to be equal to 8 squared plus 8 squared, which is going to be 64 plus 64, which is equal to 128. Now AC will be the square root of 128, which gives you 11.313. At this stage, do not round the answer off because we're going to use it in the second part of the calculation. So in order to find the circumference, C is equal to pi times d, and AC is the same as d. Therefore, we need to do pi times 11.313, our answer from the previous part, which will give me 35.543. We're asked to round to 3 significant figures, so that's the first, second, third, and therefore that point there is the fourth. The 4 has no effect on the 5, therefore the final answer is 35.5 centimetres. Okay, make sure that you underline key things like this, so make sure your final answer corresponds as the question asks. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to find the circumference of a circle with a square drawn inside it. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.